Imagine you're on Mars, millions of kilometers away from Earth, yet longing to connect with loved ones, stream your favorite shows, or even catch up on the latest news. How do we make this possible? Welcome to the quest of building an internet on Mars. As humans venture into the uncharted territory of Mars, communication becomes paramount for mission success. But how do we bridge the gap between worlds separated by millions of kilometers? Enter the Martian Communication Network, sophisticated system of spacecraft orbiting the red planet. These robotic pioneers serve as our eyes and ears on Mars, relaying vital information back to Earth. Take NASA's Perseverance rover, for example. This intrepid explorer communicates with Earth via X-band radio waves, sending back invaluable data and receiving commands from mission control. But communication with Mars isn't as simple as a direct conversation. Enter the Mars Relay Network, a constellation of orbiters strategically positioned around the planet. These orbiters act as intermediaries, capturing signals from Martian rovers and relaying them back to Earth. It's a meticulously choreographed dance, ensuring that no data is lost in the vast expanse of space. Whether it's transmitting scientific findings or receiving instructions for the next maneuver, this network serves as a lifeline for our exploration efforts on Mars. Yet, despite these technological marvels, a fundamental challenge remains: the time delay. Messages traveling at the speed of light take anywhere from 4 to 24 minutes to reach their destination, creating a communication lag that complicates real-time interactions. From navigating obstacles to executing delicate maneuvers, astronauts and mission controllers must contend with this inherent delay, underscoring the need for innovative solutions in interplanetary communication. In the vast expanse of space, traditional radio communication has its limitations. But what if we could harness the power of light to transcend these barriers? Laser communication represents a revolutionary leap forward in interplanetary connectivity. By encoding data onto beams of light, spacecraft can transmit information across vast distances with unprecedented speed and efficiency. NASA's Psyche mission, launched with the aim of exploring an asteroid between Mars and Jupiter, serves as a pioneering testbed for long-distance laser communication. Equipped with the Deep Space Optical Communications (DSOC) technology, Psyche pushes the boundaries of interplanetary communication. In a landmark achievement, Psyche beamed data to Earth from a distance of 16 million kilometers, marking a significant milestone in the quest for high-speed communication beyond Earth's orbit. However, laser communication isn't without its challenges. Unlike radio waves, which can penetrate through atmospheric interference, laser beams require precise alignment and are susceptible to disruptions caused by clouds and atmospheric conditions. Despite these obstacles, the potential benefits of laser communication are immense. With its ability to transmit vast amounts of data at speeds surpassing traditional radio waves, laser communication holds the key to unlocking a new era of interplanetary exploration. As humanity's ambitions extend beyond Earth, the need for robust communication infrastructure becomes increasingly apparent. Enter Marconi, a bold initiative aimed at revolutionizing interplanetary communication. Led by the European Space Agency, ESA, Marconi represents a collaborative effort to establish a comprehensive communication and navigation network in orbit around Mars. At its core, Marconi seeks to address the challenges of Martian communication by deploying a constellation of communication and navigation payloads, providing seamless connectivity across the red planet. Marconi is a game-changer in the realm of interplanetary communication. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies, we aim to establish a reliable framework for future Martian missions, enabling real-time data transmission and navigation capabilities. The Marconi Initiative envisions a network of interconnected nodes, serving as communication relays and navigation aids for spacecraft operating in the vicinity of Mars. From facilitating scientific research to supporting human exploration, Marconi holds the potential to redefine the way we communicate and navigate in the Martian environment. By minimizing the reliance on Earth-based communication systems, Marconi enhances the autonomy and resilience of Martian missions, paving the way for sustained exploration and colonization efforts. Imagine a future on Mars where connectivity knows no bounds, where inhabitants can seamlessly access the vast resources of the Internet from the red planet's surface. This is the vision of a Martian Internet, a revolutionary concept that promises to transform communication on the Martian frontier. According to Tobias Pfanzelter, building a Martian Internet opens up endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. By establishing a constellation of satellites orbiting Mars, we can create a local communication system akin to Earth's Internet infrastructure. Inspired by the success of initiatives like Starlink, researchers envision a network of satellites encircling Mars, providing planet-wide coverage and enabling high-speed data transmission. Unlike traditional communication systems, which rely on ground-based infrastructure, a Martian Internet leverages the advantages of satellite technology to bypass the limitations of planetary terrain. Whether it's streaming entertainment, conducting scientific research, or communicating with loved ones back on Earth, the Martian Internet promises to revolutionize life on the red planet. By eliminating the need for costly ground-based infrastructure, a satellite-based Martian Internet offers a cost-effective and scalable solution for providing connectivity across the planet's surface. As humanity's aspirations extend beyond the confines of Earth, we encounter a myriad of challenges on the path to exploring and colonizing distant worlds. One of the most significant hurdles in establishing communication networks on Mars is the time delay caused by the vast distances between planets. Messages sent between Earth and Mars can take anywhere from minutes to hours to traverse the void of space, posing challenges for real-time interactions. Despite these challenges, researchers and engineers are pushing the boundaries of communication technology, exploring novel solutions such as laser communication and satellite-based networks to bridge the gap between worlds. Laser communication represents a promising avenue for high-speed data transmission beyond the capabilities of traditional radio waves. By encoding data onto beams of light, spacecraft can communicate with Earth and other celestial bodies with unprecedented speed and efficiency. As we look to the future of space exploration, collaboration among international space agencies and private industry is crucial in driving innovation and overcoming the challenges of interplanetary communication. While the road to building a robust communication infrastructure on Mars may be fraught with obstacles, the spirit of exploration and innovation propels us forward. By leveraging the collective ingenuity of humanity, we can unlock the full potential of interplanetary communication and shape a future where connectivity knows no bounds. Thank you for watching. Building an internet on Mars may seem like science fiction, but with each technological advancement and bold idea, it becomes increasingly within reach. Let's continue to explore the wonders of the universe together. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the future of space exploration.